I got a simple mod that I plan on doing. It's real quick and easy to do in a pinch when you need glide. For those who have a Wagtail Slipstream Plus, Precision Glide, or just a pivotal one pass. So let me show you something. As Fire Marshal Bill will say, let me show you something. So for $1, now I went to the dollar store. So before I continue, y'all know that I was using the felt as a material for my gliding strips so it could stick to Velcro. And a lot of other fellow tradesmen I know adopted this, little tip that I gave y'all in my video. But I found that the dollar store, look what it says. Felt pads. All right. So you see that? There's like about there's 6 strips. And the width, check this out now. The width is a good width that I could use for my gliding strips. And the height. So I got homemade gliding strips already cut up, and the thickness of it is already there. Then you have a big pad of it that you could use to chop down, like let's say if you had a longer channel. Now these circles, I don't know, I haven't yet found a place for them yet, but trust me, give me a little time. This is a simple mod. Since they're felt, I'm hoping it's going to stick to that Velcro. What y'all think? This mod we're going to do together. We're going to do together. Now, what I want to say to you is that this just dresses up your one pass. It gives you options. I have made an assortment. I told y'all this is just one to add on my list. I like it, and here's the reasons why. It doesn't hold water much at all, but that's okay because it scrubs good, but combined with a sprayer, holding water isn't an issue. I also had to add, with the felt pads, you have to get something to rough up the material, because this particular felt, the fibers are really, really, really together than the actual felt sheets. You have to get like, I kind of got outer gator clips with the teeth. It's metal ones, and I kind of roughed it up like that. But I guess you can pretty much use anything. That's all I wanted to say. The felt pads, like I said, they don't hold much water, but they do work good. And if for something that you don't have to cut, or you could just get it from the dollar store and you'll have them. You know what I mean? But there's some sticky stuff that I didn't account for on the back, so I had to actually, that stuff was tough to get off. I had to get my fingernails and peel it up ever so slightly until it all pulled off, because the other part that I had would have stuck to the Velcro, but then I would have been using the sticky part, and you're using it for glide, so obviously you can't have that sticky tape on the window. You feel me? So I ripped that off. So if you're gonna do that, then you're gonna have to rip that off as well.